YouTube? It's your boy Tony TV, and I am back. See why I blocked that out? I don't feel right doing it. Alright guys, today I'm making some tacos for dinner. As you can see, I already started the taco meat. Got the taco milk. I got the taco meat going. Got stuff coming off the spatula. Ooh. I'll get that. Don't worry about that blooper, guys. But we got the tacos. We got the stand shells. You want to get the stand shells because you don't want to get the tacos, the ones that's like a V, and then you get all your meat and your cheese and your what's the
filling?
Your fillings, yeah. You don't want all your stuff to fall out the taco, so you want to get the stand and stuff shells. Alright, and I got the salsa, chunky salsa to add in that. We got the cheap cheese, because the kids like the cheap cheese. The kids like, they would rather have soft tacos than the hard tacos, so I'd rather have the hard tacos than the soft. So, and we got taco seasoning. You want to get the original, because the other stuff just don't taste right. So yeah, and I got the cheese in the refrigerator, and I got the sour cream in the refrigerator. So I'm gonna let this cook. Not really well, because you don't want your meat to be too well done, and then it just don't taste right when you overcook meat. Turn it up. So we're gonna let that cook. I ain't sizzling enough. It would be a better shot if it was sizzling. Alright, we're gonna let that cook for a good while, then I'll show you all the draining process, all that, when that time comes. So we're gonna let that cook, and I'll be back. The ground beef been cooking for a while. Now it's time to drain it. Remember I said you don't want to cook your ground beef too long, because you don't want to overcook it. follow directions. You eyeball.
Follow your instructions.
All right, guys.
Just do it.
No, don't do it. If you're a good cook, you don't need to. All right, we're gonna stir that up good. Make sure all that's even. All right, I'm gonna turn this on low. So let that season simmer a little bit. All right, now I'm going to get my pan for my taco shells. All right, I'm gonna get your pan. You're gonna get your aluminum foil. Put your aluminum foil down there. Get your shells.
You don't have to see you. You always see the shells. Asshole. Goodness.
Get your shells. This is what I was talking about the stuffing stand shells. Got your meat and all that in there. You can set it on your plate. Bam. Nothing come out. So I'm trying to hook y'all up. I'm gonna stand these up. I'll crack that one, but that'll be alright. Let's open up. You gonna need all these stuffed shells?
Hmm?
How you gonna need what?
They make them all every time. Problem?
Alright.
Good way to crack them up.
Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and throw that oven on 350. And about 375.
Again, follow your instructions.
Nah, I don't follow instructions. You're gonna throw these in the oven and let them warm up nice and toasty. Alright, that's out the way. Back to your meat. Stir this up just a little bit. Might need, no, that's alright, that's alright. I probably add about a little bit more water. Alright, and that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get this mess cleaned up. I'm gonna get that cleaned up, and I'm gonna get the cheese and the sour cream all out, and I'll show you all the end results. All right. All right, guys, I got it, man. I'm gonna just make my plate. Thank you, though. All right, guys, I finally finished the tacos, and got the kids' tacos out the way now. I'm gonna make my tacos. So, all right, here go the tacos. Alright, guys, this is my plate, and the light, y'all can see, that's my plate. The lighting sucks. There we go. That's my thumbnail right there, 3 tacos. Alright, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Taco night Tuesday, Monday. Taco Tuesday. Alright, guys. I'll be back with another video. So I don't know what I'm gonna. Oh, I'm making steak tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna record that or not, but I probably do. Until next time.